Hello friends, Namaskar. Welcome to Satya Prakash English Medium School. So in today's lecture, let me start the subject General Knowledge, General Studies. And in the fourth standard year, हमने जो है fourth chapter complete किए. And now chapter number 5th is the Presidents of India. लास्ट टाइम हमने जो हमारे 4 चैप्टर कंप्लीट किए उसमें चैप्टर नंबर फर्स्ट था सुपरलेटिव्स ऑफ इंडिया, सेकंड इज द रिवर्स ऑफ इंडिया, थर्ड is the hill stations of India, fourth is the tourist places in India, and now fifth is the presidents of India. So we will know about our presidents of India. So let we start with this chapter. Are you ready? Okay. Chapter number 5, Presidents of India. So identify the pictures of the presidents of India and write their names in the space provided. आपको जो है प्रेसिडेंट को आइडेंटिफाई करना है और उसका जो नेम है वो आपको नीचे दी हुई स्पेस में लिखना है. सो हियर टोटल 14 पिक्चर्स ऑफ आवर 14 प्रेसिडेंट. सो द फर्स्ट पिक्चर इज द डॉक्टर राजेंद्र प्रसाद. Rajendra Prasad was an Indian independence activist, also lawyer and scholar, and he was the first president of India from 1950 to 1962. Second is the सबसे पहले मैं आप लोगों को यहाँ पे आंसर लिख के दे रही हूँ इसलिए आपको भी पता चले यहाँ पे. So the answer is here. First picture is the Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Second is the Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. Full form Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan was an Indian philosopher and also our first vice president and our second president of India. Okay, now third picture is Dr. Zakir Hussain. Dr. Zakir Hussain Khan was an Indian economist and also our third president of India and also our vice president भी वो हमारे रहे थे and our third president of India. Now the fourth picture, he was V.V. Giri. It is your short name. So V.V. Giri was the fourth president of India from 24 August 1969 to 24 August 1974. Now here the picture number 5th, he was the Fakhruddin Ali Ahmad. He was an Indian lawyer and also political and also our fifth president of India from 1974 to 1977. Okay, now the picture number 6, he was the Neelam Sanjeeva Reddy. He was the sixth president of India from 1977 to 1982. Next, picture number 7, he was the Gyani Zail Singh. He was the seventh president of India serving from 1982 to 1987. Now the picture number 8, R. Venkatraman. So he was the Indian independence activist and politician who served as a union minister and as a 8th president of India. Now picture number 9, he was the Dr. Shankar Dayal Sharma. He was the 9th president of India serving from 1992 to 1997. Now picture number 10, he was the K.R. Narayan. So he was an Indian academic and politician who served as the 10th president of India and 9th vice president of India. Now picture number 11, इसके बारे में तो आप लोग जानते होंगे. He was the Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Abul Pakir Jainul Abdin Abdul Kalam was an Indian aerospace scientist and politician who served as the 11th President of India from 2002 to 2007. He was born and raised in the Rameswaram, Tamil Nadu, and studied physics and aerospace engineering. Now, picture number 12. C is Pratibha Patil. Pratibha Patil is an Indian politician who served as the 12th President of India from 2007 to 2012. Pratibha Patil is the only woman to hold an office and as a president. Next, 13th picture. He was the Pranab Mukherjee. He is an Indian politician who served as the 13th President of India from 2012 until to 2017. And now ये था जो आप लोगों का प्रेसिडेंट्स ऑफ इंडिया. सो यहाँ पे आपका चैप्टर नंबर 5 जो है वो कंप्लीट होता है. और इन टुडेज HW ये जो स्पेलिंग्स है, यहाँ पे जो पिक्चर्स है वो किसके है, उसके स्पेलिंग आप लोगों को होमवर्क में लर्न भी करने हैं और राइट भी करने हैं 2 टाइम. ओके, सो आज का ये होमवर्क यहाँ पे हमारा 5th चैप्टर जो है कंप्लीट होता है. सो टुडे के लिए थैंक यू सो मच.